Welcome, genius! Are you ready to play Funny Riddles at level 6? Let's begin. What English word has 3 consecutive double letters?
That's funny!
Bookkeeper. I ate 1 and threw away 2. Oyster. I have a mouth on my head and eat everything. What am I?
Yahoo!
A backpack. What jumps when it walks and sits when it stands?
Oh
A kangaroo. I have no brain, but I'm still smarter than the average human. What am I? Calculator. We are 5 little objects of an everyday sort. You will find us all in a tennis court. Vowels. I build bridges of silver and crowns of gold. Who am I?
That's funny!
A dentist. Sometimes I am light, sometimes I am dark. What am I? Chocolate. Your reflection can be seen here, as long as you're not moving.
Yahoo!
Water. A long snake that smokes. What am I? Train. I grow for a surface. Even if you cut me, I continue to grow even after death. Human hair. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? Fire. The more you take, the more you leave behind.
That's funny!
Alcohol. You use a knife to slice my head, and weep beside me when I am dead. What am I? An onion. What is it? Something that you always have, but you always leave behind.
Yahoo!
Fingerprints. What goes through a door, but never goes in, and never comes out? A keyhole. What's as small as a mouse, but guards a house like a lion? A lock. Big as a biscuit, deep as a cup, but even the water can't fill it up. What is it? A strainer. What kind of room doesn't have physical walls? A chat room. I have no life, but I can die. What am I?
That's funny!
A battery. How many questions did you answer correctly? Please type in the comment box. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next interesting game. Thanks, genius.